guys.
After 7 years, I'm going to June. Hi, boss.
Kami ng Malaysia. Jane.
Hey.
Ganun mo bigla ako. How much Merry Christmas.
可以，差不多这个时间我们马上就回来的。
可以，快速上。
非常好。
Yeah,
Guys, nasa Malaysia ako. Tingnan nyo ha. Pakita ko sa inyo Malaysia. Oh, Malaysia. I'm a traveler. Tourist is different from the traveler. I'm going to KL already. Right. On that way. Guys, nandito na kami. Magpapamusahe kami. Tingnan natin yung loob.
2 hours and a half, I think. 2 hours 20 minutes.
This one my 90 minutes.
So we'll go 90, yeah. Okay.
Okay, nandito na kami, guys. Thai Spa. Thai Spa?
Hindi, uli yung open mo muna yan.
Sige. Oh, ayan. Oh. Pasok daw ako. This is the inside. So nice. Christmas tree. Hi guys. Bago tayo magpamasahe, nag-CR muna ako. Ang dami ko kasing nakain. Dito muna tayo habang naghihintay. Sige na, pakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Thanks, bye. Okay. Guys, aakit na ako. Massage. Saan ba? Third floor is it? Ito na po, papamassage na tayo. Let's do this. Guys, nagpapamassage na ako. Hindi ko alam kung pwede mag-video or what. Dito na lang sa ilalim. Sa ilalim na higaan. Sige na, mamaya na ulit. Thank you. Bye. Guys, ang sarap ng masahe. Babae. Ayoko na lalaki. Gusto ko babae. Sarap. Sige na, mamaya na ulit. Wow, so nice. Yeah. Nice. Yeah, nice. Thank you. Guys, tapos na. Numusalwal ko. May salwal ako. Yan, salwal ko. Oh. Yun ko, butas. Nakita ng guyil. Okay na, sarap. The best. Guys, okay na yung vlog natin today. Massage. Yan o, yan. Yan. Alright. Hi guys. While waiting. After massage. What is this?
Tea Life.
Tea. Milk tea with pudding.
Tea Life.
So refreshing.
Tea Life.
Guys, I'm here in Malaysia. You see? I'm in Malaysia. See the place? It's like in Philippines. We are here. Shabuyaki. Let's eat. Waiting. Guys, nandito na kami sa Shabuyaki. Kain na tayo. Maya, may pila pa. Shabuyaki. Alright. Dami. Buffet ito, buffet. Buffet ito mga lods. Buffet. Eat all you can. Yung mga sabaw. Sushi. Daming pagkain, oh. Sauce. Mga vegetable. Yung meat. Yan yung dessert. Yan ang drinks. Dessert. Eat all you can. Take 1, 2, 3, 4. Isa lang. Hindi mo ubos. Muna po siya ng ayan, siomai. Sashimi.
I know. Sushi.
Ano naman tayo, ha? Gulay. Budel. Mga gulay na to. Try natin yan. Isa. Dalawa. Ito. Apat. Lima. Morning. Chai. Ito. Chai. Ano to? Gulay. Thank you. Oystero. Matagal-tagal. Yeah, together, yeah. Matagal-tagal na akong hindi nakakatikim ng oyster. Aming sauce, di ko maintindihan kung anong sauce. Sili na lang. Kung wala lang tayong patis. Bawang. To. Onion. Saka coriander. Konting mala dressing. Sarap kaya to? Lagyan na lang natin soy sauce. You have vinegar? Vinegar, no. Food trip. Wow. This one I like. I haven't tried. That's it.
Just put up.
Yeah. Good na. Just the food.
Lemon.
Bukan natin to, oyster. Hindi pa ko nakatikim nito eh. Sauce. This one ah.
Like this one
This one? Mayo?
The
Mayonnaise.
mix. Yeah. At least no smell. Should I put some oil?
Oyster sauce.
No.
Ating bawang. Try natin ha. Ano?
How?
That's nice. First time. Bye-bye. Later again. Itlog. Egg.
Kayo ba yan?
I like this. Wait. Good vlogger. So busy.
Yeah.
Sorry. Gulay oh. So fast ah.
Yeah, it's like this. Deep, then 10 seconds.
Try natin to. Sushi. Lagyan daw ng wasabi. Kulay green. Because of the sushi lah, sushi. I want to try.
And you have to put this, don't forget soy sauce.
Yeah, soy sauce. Then soy sauce. Try one. Sushi. Prawn. Right. We are at the middle of Malaysia, Singapore. All right. Woo! Exercise. Bye-bye na. Thank you. Hanggang dito na lang vlog ko. Salamat po. God bless everyone.